up you guys? So let's start off by priming our eyelid, and we're going in with the eyelid primer from elf cosmetics. So now I'm just going to go in with my fingers just to blend out that concealer, because I just feel like sometimes my hands work better compared to a brush. So now I'm grabbing the Jclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm basically going in with the eyeshadow called Central Park, and I'm just applying it on my crease area. And just above that, I'm going in with that eyeshadow called Jax, and I'm just making sure that I actually pack it in very well, because I want it to be like our transitioning shade. So I have to make sure that I actually blend it two together so they can look a bit more seamless. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going in with the concealer, and I'm basically just gonna cut that crease all the way from corner to corner. I'm grabbing the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going in with that yellow shade called Calavera, and I'm making sure that I pack it in very well, because I don't want it to look toned down, but rather I want it to look more pigmented. So I have to make sure I really pack it on. And then now I'm going in with the same eyeshadow shades that we applied previously, just on the outer corner, just slightly. So here basically I'm applying those jewelry or studs, whatever you call them. It's more like beads. Ugh, whatever, they're just nail art decos, whatever. Ugh, you get the point. So basically this one are like seashell shaped, and I'm just going in applying them using the eyelash glue, and then just stick them on there. And it actually lasted basically the whole day. I was quite impressed that they did not fall out, thank God. So yeah, so I applied like 6 of them, and yeah, I was happy with it. And I basically just used my fingers to stick them on, and it was done. So now here I'm grabbing the Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and I love this because it's waterproof. It actually doesn't smudge. So this is what I'm using today to kind of like create that slight wing liner, not as thick as I normally do. So I just want it to be a little bit thinner but longer. And then I'm going in with the TMS liquid glitter, and it's more like a, what is it called, copper shade, but I make sure that I actually insert the correct name in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. So basically I'm mimicking the same way that I did the wing liner, just above it. So now I'm grabbing the Essence Electric Vibes liner, and this one is called Paradise, and I'm basically gonna apply it on the lower lash line today. We're not gonna do any mascara. That's about it for the eyes. Then a touch of mascara, and then I'm going in now with the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Foundation Primer. And I love this primer because it actually hydrates my face, especially during the winter time. I kind of need it because my skin gets very dry, so this one really helps. So now I'm going in with the MAC Match Master Foundation, and I'm kind of running out now. So basically I have to stock up. If they could just lift this lockdown, I would just be able to stock up all my makeups, but enough of the complaints. So I'm going in with my foundation brush, making sure that I spread it out evenly, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the crayon concealer. This one is more thicker in consistency because it's really gonna help me cover out those imperfections, and it does the job very well. Yo guys, I have to say, sometimes I just wear this concealer without applying the foundation on, and it just works, especially when I need full coverage in these times of winter. My skin gets very dry and I need really good thick type of coverage. So now I'm just using my foundation brush to basically blend out that concealer and spread it out evenly. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl loose powder, and this one is in a shade called Espresso, and this is what we're gonna use to contour our features because your girl is not in a mood of doing cream. Personally, I don't like using cream contours. I just prefer powder because I just feel like it works. So yeah, why bother if it works? So I'm gonna contour the sides of my nose as well as the hollows of my cheeks, and that's about it. So once I'm done blending all that in, I'm going in with the MSLondon Cosmetics loose powder, and this one is in a shade called Coco 1, and I just love, I cannot tell you how much I love this product because I just feel like it works. It just brings some color back into my face, especially when I look too pale or too, wait a minute, not pale, I'm not Caucasian. What I'm trying to say is it helps bring back some color back into my face without me looking too dull. Is that even a word? Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. I was looking to no structure, no color, just flat. So yeah, that's why I'm using this product. Also to set up those areas that we used a concealer to highlight. And yeah, basically that's it. And now I'm going in, I actually used the e.l.f. Warm Tan bronzing powder. Basically I used it to kind of like deepen that contour a little bit. I forgot to mention that previously, sorry. And then once I'm done with that, for highlighting, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is in the shade called Sunkissed, and basically I'm highlighting the tip of my nose as well as the apples of my cheeks, my tear dot area or the inner corners of my eyes, as well as on my Cupid's bow. And now I'm going in with the Qibest Persistent Lip Liner, Stay All Day Lip Liner, and this one is more like a dark red, and basically I'm gonna outline the entire lip as well as the inside of my lip, because today, girl, you know we're going for like an ombre type of shade. And then once I'm done with that, I'm quickly gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade called Lovely, and I'm gonna basically apply it on the center of my lip and then make sure that I blend it in together to create that ombre look. And after a few applications of that shade, I'm just going back in with the concealer and basically just cleaning out around my lips. Now you can grab your setting spray or finishing spray and you're done basically. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.